Straddling the border between China and Vietnam, Bang Yak Falls is the name given to two sets of wonderful waterfalls that lie along the Khe Song River. While the multiple layers and drops of the falls look absolutely astounding, the picture-perfect scene is completed by the lush vegetation, majestic mountains, and karst formations that lie around them. Long shut off from the world due to various border disputes, the falls are now an increasingly popular tourist destination. Hordes of visitors take boat trips below the Cascades, coating themselves in a fine mist of spray.